20 Minutes Setswana presents
Abuti! Abuti!
Hello Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Kholo. Yeah.
Oh, we're learning how to use big and small in Sesotho to describe some things. Are you ready, kids? So, what is the word for big in Sesotho? That's right, it's kholo. And what is the word for small in Sesotho? Very good, it's nye. So big is kholo and small is nye. Big kholo, small nye. Now to say big elephant, we say tlou e kholo. To say small elephant, we say tlou e nyane. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Did you notice when we said tlou e kholo, we added a K to kholo? Now, the E means that is, tlou means elephant, and kholo means big. So we're actually saying elephant that is big. You see how easy it is? So big giraffe would be tuhlo e kholo. And small giraffe would be tuhlo e nyane. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain some more. Tlou means elephant, and the root word for small is nye. But when we want to say small elephant, we need to change nye to nyane. We also have to add e, so we are actually saying elephant that is small. Now, to say big lion, we say tau e kholo. Small lion, tau e nyane. And now you can use big and small to describe some animals. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Bye.